Man of God, you know what I came here? I came here for you to help me to deliver my wife. I don't know what wrong with her. She's speaking different language.
Why are you actually disturbing me? Why don't you want me to have my peace? Why are you always disturbing me all the time? I tell you all the time, if you don't want this marriage anymore, you should tell me. I will file for a divorce because I cannot take this anymore. You're actually disturbing me and you're making me nervous anytime we're in public.
Every time she'll be watching the world, she'll watch a different kind of movie. She'll be watching it. She talk her India.
I will not have you to insult my Indian language because I actually like it. When I was in India, I had fun. You did not go with me and right now I'm very happy. It's better I get a divorce and go rest in the temple because you're actually giving me a tough time. But right now, you see this relationship, I'm done with it. I don't want to get married to you anymore. I will go back to India and get some handsome man to get married to.
Call you that? Call you that? This guy, oh God. God, I took her to Malala away. That's why I decided to bring her to you because I believe you. You're a great man of God.
Ain't nobody getting no deliverance, dude. I'm fine just the way I am.
I don't know what she's saying. Just imagine I said that to UK to go ahead how to cook those Oyibo foods so that I can be giving to my children. They'll be fat. Just imagine she can't cook.
I don't even care if he runs away or not. I don't even know why you're complaining about me, but I'm actually okay with myself. And if you're not okay with it, you can actually fuck up.
I'll see that.
I'm gonna let your wife be that one. You see my lad on it. This other family.
Pastor!